Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another edition of Lucky Tuesday for the lucky people. Yesterday our two direct single 656 went +1. That was, it played 57 single 6, but on the WhatsApp side we still had a permutation drop there with 57. It was just a permutation. So if you're one of the people that do contact me on WhatsApp, congratulations to you. So if you've not, this is the right number to contact. So if this video find you, please like this video for me. You see, I didn't come up on what national and Sunday. I said that I didn't get enough engagement. Please like this video for me. Most importantly, comment your opinion and subscribe. There was a comment on our Monday special yesterday. I intentionally pinned the person's comment up. Is the comment that is up. If you check it in that video, this guy was actually proving 86 to us. So if you two have something to offer, please put it in the comment section. Let's go without further ado, guys. This video is going to be presenting us just 3 directs, and that's all. First time setting on golden souvenir at event number 1243, 64 to play in last ball winning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Single 4 will play to machine. 12th week it will repeat. Unlucky G at event number 924, 64 would maintain position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Single 4 would drop and repeat to machine. After single 4 drop and repeat to machine, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 21 in center ball winning. After single 4 play and repeat, 1 2 3 4 5 from up, but if you are counting it from the first 4, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6. Don't be confused. 21. If you are counting it from this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but if you are counting it from here, it's 4. So 21 in position. After 21 in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 weeks up. 69 will play in position, center ball machine. From 21 playing in center ball winning, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 weeks down. Expect 69 to maintain center ball machine. When 69 maintains center ball machine 1 2 3 weeks, 90 will play second ball machine. The following week, 11 will play first ball machine. When 69 maintain position 1 2 3 weeks down, 90 should play second ball machine. The following week, 11 will play first ball machine. After 11 play in position, play with 90 in position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 63 center ball winning. After these two numbers in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 63 to maintain center ball winning. After 63 maintain position, the following week, 76 to maintain center ball machine. After 63 maintain position, 76 will maintain center ball position. So please, if this is the type of content that interests you online, if you like this pattern as we are going, the best thing you can do for me is to help me post another video tomorrow. So what do you have to do for me to get another post tomorrow? Like this video for me, click on the like button for me, and put your own opinion there in the comment section. If you've been coming to watch, you are not subscribing, you're one of the people setting us back. Please click on the subscribe button. Let's go back on the video now. From 76, maintain center ball position, machine here. 76, maintain center ball position, machine here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 weeks up. Single 4 that played and repeat should jump to first ball winning from machine. Take notes. On the current, after 76, maintain position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 weeks down. Single 4 in position in machine to jump to position. The following week it will lap 18. After single 4 move from machine to winning, the following week it will lap 18. Not just lap 18, it will play with 86 in center ball machine. 86 in second ball machine and 45 in center ball machine. On the current Lucky G, after single 4 maintain position, it will lap 18. 18 will maintain first ball winning, while 86 will play second ball machine, and 45 would play close in machine, maintaining center ball machine. After these games play in position, guys, from 86, 45, 18 in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 weeks, 21 in position, center ball. 13 weeks, it should move. On the current, after these 3 numbers in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13th week, 21 moved. After 21 had moved, 61 to maintain center ball winning. After 21 has moved, 61 to maintain center ball winning. After 61 maintain center ball winning, bonus, 86 in position, 86 should turn. 21 in position that moved before 61 maintained position should also turn. Play us live to direct. This is my event to watch out for, but my 2 direct is straight. 68 to play with 12. My own 2 direct is straight, 1 line. That is why it's being called 2 directs. Please, if you see any other thing on this plan I'm not saying, nobody is an island of knowledge, put it in the comment section. Let's win together. Nobody is an island of knowledge. Please, if you find value in this content, don't forget to give me engagement like I said, so that I'll be able to post whatever I have again tomorrow. Like this video, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you for coming to watch this video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.